Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a snowman, so let's get started. To draw the snowman, let's start by drawing his carrot nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And I'm going to bring it out an angle from this top part right here. Bring out an angle, round off the tip, and bring it right back in. It's a little cone. And then from there, let's come to the side about right here. We're going to draw a circle for the eye. Right next to the carrot. And then let's come to the side right here, right above the carrot. So it's kind of at an angle. We're going to draw another circle. And I'm going to come in here with a little highlight, so a little circle, and shade in the rest. Same thing over here. There. And then we're going to come right underneath this carrot nose and draw a smile. And we're going to use dots to draw the smile. So I'm going to come right underneath this eye. So say about right here. I'm going to start with my first dot and I'm just going to curve all the way up. So I'm just going to say about right here. And one more about right here. Just curve it up. Now we have a happy snowman, right? Okay, so if you're not comfortable using dots, you can of course just go ahead and draw a line. Okay, so then from there, let's come, we start with this eye right here, come out a little bit, and we're gonna draw a curve that goes outside of this carrot nose. So about right here, I'll go start, and I'm going to draw a curve around. So we're basically aiming to draw a circle, half circle around this face. So I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. Bring this down now, right underneath the smile. But before I finish that, let's come above this eye in this area, and I'm going to draw a curve. So it's going to be easier for me to figure out what's going on. So come above this eye, about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve that connects back to this. So we've created the shape around the face. Now let's bring this down more. And we're just curving down. So let's see, I'm going to curve this down a little bit more. So this is going to be kind of like where the hat ends. And from there, I'm going to come in here and draw a curve to finish it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect it now. Nice round head for our snowman. There. Okay, so now we have that in. Let's come up and draw the hat. So I'm going to come right back here and draw a curve that goes up. And over here, another curve that goes up. And notice it's angling towards the center right here. So we're going to curve this up a little bit more. And about right there, we're going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm following this bottom curve right here. And then now the hat part. Let's come in here again, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes in. And on this side, it's going to come up, go all the way across. And if you like, you can dip it a little bit and come back out. And we're going to pass that curve and come right back down. My hand wobbled a little bit, but it's just one dip there. And then in this area, now that we've created this little area right here, you can go ahead and just draw a circle right here to finish it off. There. Okay, so we're done with the head finally. You can come in here with some curves as you like, just to make this little white ball extra poofy. Okay, so then now let's come down. We're going to draw the scarf. So a nice big scarf. So about right here, I'm going to start, and here, I'm just going to wiggle a curve that comes down, wiggle a curve, and then go ahead and connect it. There. And then using that right here, we're going to come and draw the bottom of our snowman. So let's come out on both sides. Then we're going to start to draw a curve. So I'm just drawing a big curve. It's all up to you how big you want your bottom to be right here with the snowman. About right there, I'm just going to bring it in. And don't worry if it's not a perfect curve or anything like that. It's a snowman, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so about right there, now that we have the bottom, I'm putting him in some snow. So at the bottom right here, I'm going to finish off with some curves. I'm going to come out and curve a little bit of snow, indication of snow at the bottom before I connect him and finish him off. So I'm going to come right here since I'm here already and draw some curves at the bottom. There. So now it looks like he's just sitting on some snow, right? Okay. So then from there, let's come right here. We're going to give him some arms. So this is still going to be our center right here. So I'm going to come about right here and draw 2 circles for buttons, just so you can kind of figure out where the center will be. So using this as my guide for the center, I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to put a little curve. I'm going to start to draw the branch arms. So I'm bringing it to this area. So let's come in with this curve. And I'm going to angle. And I'm using angles because I'm trying to still make it look like a branch, so it's not too round. So about right there, I'm going to thicken this branch. So sometimes it's thicker, sometimes it's going to be thinner. And as I come to this area, I'm going to make it kind of look like a half heart. So go up and come down. In this shape. So same thing over here. I'm going to create the same thing over here. And come down. So we've created this little shape right there. And then now we're going to bring this curve up to, let's see, about right here. So it's going to go past. And it should end about right here. So I'm going to come about right there. And then once again, going to thicken it up. There. So we have our branch that's creating a little heart for our snowman. Okay, so then from there, let's come and draw, finish off the scarf. Let's come right here. I'm just going to big chunks of stripes. So as I come to this side, it's going to curve more this way, just to give our scarf some dimension. And then let's add the back right here. So I'm going to come right here, flare out a tail, one, and then another one, and bring it in. And we're going to add the ends of our scarf. And same thing over here. There, just gives our snowman some movement. And you can come in here with your stripes if you like, or whatever pattern you want to put on your scarf. And that's pretty much it for my snowman. And if you want to put him in some scenery, let's come to the side right here. And I'm just going to draw a background for him. So say about right here. And you draw a little hill, comes out. And you can put some trees right here. So let's start with a very simplified tree. So it's just going to be a bunch of zigzags that come down with a point at the top. And you can add some more. Let's see here. We're going to add maybe over here a little more of a hill on this side, and you can add some more Christmas trees here. down, so maybe about right here. Make it look like a hill. And of course, you can add snow falling everywhere around our snowman. So you can even put it right here on him so it looks like it's and one more. So there, hope you love this cute little drawing that I've created for you and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Stay Cute videos. See you later.